Welcome back to CarsBinge. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2026 Subaru WRX, a car that continues to carry the rally DNA Subaru fans love. The WRX has always been about blending everyday practicality with track-ready performance, and the 2026 model takes it even further. With sharper body lines, a bolder grille, and updated LED lighting, this car looks more aggressive than ever. Subaru has also refined the aerodynamics for better handling and stability. The blacked-out trims and sleeker roofline give it a modern, sporty edge. It's still unmistakably a WRX, just more futuristic. Let's see what this beast has to offer. Step inside the 2026 Subaru WRX, and you're greeted by a cabin that balances comfort with performance-focused design. The black leather seats with red stitching scream sportiness while keeping things premium. A fully digital driver display, along with a massive center touchscreen, brings modern tech to the rally icon. Subaru's latest infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The flat-bottom steering wheel and aluminum pedals add to the racing feel. Ambient lighting gives the cabin a stylish glow, while the spacious rear seats and trunk make it practical for daily use. This is a car you can race on weekends and commute with during the week. Now, let's talk performance, the true heart of the WRX. The 2026 model packs an upgraded 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, tuned for more power and responsiveness. Early reports suggest horsepower figures north of 320 HP, paired with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system. That means grip, stability, and confidence on every surface, whether it's city streets or winding mountain roads. A new adaptive suspension system ensures sharper handling while maintaining comfort for longer drives. The WRX also offers multiple driving modes, letting you switch between everyday comfort and full-on performance mode. Simply put, this engine setup is built to thrill. On the road, the 2026 Subaru WRX feels planted and agile. Thanks to improved aerodynamics and chassis tuning, cornering feels tighter and more precise than ever before. Subaru's AWD system delivers incredible traction, especially in challenging conditions like rain or snow. The steering feedback is sharper, giving drivers a true connection to the road. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking twisty mountain routes, the WRX inspires confidence. The suspension absorbs bumps while still keeping the car responsive. Noise insulation has also been improved, so you'll enjoy a quieter cabin without losing the signature WRX growl. It's a driver's car through and through. So, what's the final word on the 2026 Subaru WRX? Subaru has managed to modernize an icon without losing its rally-bred soul. With its aggressive design, tech-loaded interior, and upgraded engine performance, this car stands as one of the most exciting sports sedans of its class. It's versatile, fun to drive, and practical enough for everyday life. For enthusiasts, it's a dream come true, and for new buyers, it's an invitation to experience Subaru's performance heritage. At CarsBinge, we believe the 2026 WRX is a perfect mix of tradition and innovation. Would you take this WRX as your next ride? Let us know in the comments below.